Hello everyone. In this lecture, we will learn the important features of Linux. Now let's understand why Linux is so popular. Linux was first released on September 17, 1991 by Linus Torvalds. And this is the man who discovered Linux. And the name Linux came from his name Linus plus Unix. Because Unix already came into the market before Linux and the commands of Linux and Unix are almost similar. That is why he gave this operating system with the addition of both his name as well as the previous operating system, that is Unix. So L means Linus and U means Unix. So both together made Linux. The very first important feature of Linux is, as compared to Unix, Linux is open source, and that means source code for the operating system and most of the applications that run on it is available for free so that you can modify it to your needs. The second important feature is the various Linux distributions available in the market, and out of all those popular Linux distributions, some of them are Red Hat, Fedora, Ubuntu, Debian, Linux Mint, Arch Linux, SUSE. And out of those hundreds of Linux distributions available, the most popular Linux distributions are Ubuntu, Linux Mint, and Debian. But for this course, we will prefer Ubuntu for better understanding of all the commands of Linux and Unix. And Ubuntu is also very much popular. That is the reason why I will be preferring this. The next feature is multi-user, which means multiple users can access system resources like memory, RAM, application programs at the same time. Speed is the next feature, which says that Linux takes up less CPU time than Windows. It is much quicker than Windows 10. And that is why the reason because of which industrial people prefer Linux-based operating system for their applications. Next feature is antivirus free. It has the ability to successfully stave off malwares and protect yourself from threats. That is why Linux is more secure as compared to your Windows. The next feature is multi-programming, which says that multiple applications can run at the same time. And then it is very secure as compared to your Windows. It provides features like password protection, controlled access to specific files, encryption of data. It is program friendly and it is very easy to learn and understand. And it is one of the best platform for hacking, best way to have unauthorized control over the computer network security systems. And it has a worldwide community. And lots of people are working on the Linux distributions, and that is leading to the information for the retrieval of the services for the whole world. And because of these following reasons, Unix is so popular. In the coming course, we will learn the implementation of all the commands one by one. Till then, stay tuned to my channel for the upcoming videos. Thank you.